Hello and welcome to our guide on building a sports community app like Playo. If you're an entrepreneur or developer looking to break into the thriving sports tech, you've made a smart decision by watching this video. Creating an app that connects sport enthusiasts is an excellent SaaS product idea that can significantly impact how people engage with sports. We are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to build such an app, making the process clearer and more manageable. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what it takes to create a successful sports app. Let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at some of the popular sports community apps out there. Apps like Starva, TeamSnap, SportsHood, Bleacher Reports, and Rallyhood have set high standards in the market. These apps offer seamless user experiences, vibrant community engagement, and robust security features. When you're creating your app, aim to match or exceed these standards to compete effectively. Now, before jumping into the development process, there are some prerequisites you need to have in place. Number one, market research. This involves understanding your target market, their need, and competition. Think of it as preparing for a road trip. You need to know where you are going and what you'll encounter on the way. Use tools like surveys and focus groups to gather insights and make informed decisions. Regulatory compliance. Community app needs to adhere to privacy regulations to protect user data and ensure fair practices. Imagine it as building a house. You need to follow building codes to ensure safety and legality. Research the relevant regulations in your target region to avoid any legal issues. Number 3 is technical stack. Your technical stack is like the foundation of your house. Popular choice for a community app includes React Native for a smooth cross-platform front-end, Node.js for a scalable backend, and database like MongoDB for reliable data storage. This stack ensures your app can handle high traffic and provide a seamless user experience. Now let's talk about the subcategories of the sports community apps. Understanding this can help you define your app's niche. Number 1 here is fitness and tracking apps. Apps like Starva help users track their workouts, share their progress, and compete with friends. Number 2 is team management apps. Apps like TeamSnap and Heja assist coaches and team managers in organizing practices, games, and communicating with team members. Number 3 is fan community apps. Apps like Bleacher Report provide a platform for fans to follow their favorite sports team, share news, and engage with other fans. And then we have event and meetup apps. Apps like Meetups and Rallyhood help organize sports events and meetups for enthusiasts to participate in local sports activities. With the groundwork laid, let's move on to the development steps. Here's a step-by-step guide. Number 1 is conceptualization. Define your app's unique value proposition. What makes your app different from Starva or TeamSnap? For example, you might focus on specific sports or offer unique social features like live chats during events. Number 2 is wireframing. Create wireframe of your app. Think of it as sketching out the blueprint of your house. Tools like Figma or Sketch are excellent for this purpose. They help you visualize the app's layout and flow before you start building. Step 3 is UI UX design. Design an intuitive user interface. Prioritize user experience to ensure ease of use. Your app should be as easy to navigate as a well-designed website. Users should find it simple to join communities, track activities, and engage with other members. Number 4 is backend development. Set up your server, database, and APIs. Ensure your backend can handle secure data storage and real-time updates. This is the engine of your car. It needs to be robust and reliable. Step number 5 is front-end development. Develop the user interface and integrate it with backend services. Ensure the UI is responsive and works smoothly on various devices. This is the body of your car. It needs to look good and function well. Step number 6 is integration of the key features. Here, you can pick user authentication, secure login via OTP, biometrics, or OAuth. Think of it as the security system of your house. Activity tracking. Allow users to track their workout, games, or events. It's like fitness tracker that helps users monitor their performance. Community features. Enable users to join groups, post updates, and chat with other members. This is similar to social media, fostering engagement and interaction. And then there is notification. Inform users about upcoming events, new messages, or activity milestones. Think of this as reminders, keeping users informed and engaged. Step number 7 is testing. Conduct thorough testing. unit testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing. This is like a test drive, ensuring everything works smoothly before the final launch. And step number 8 is security. Implement robust security measures. Use SSL TLS for data transmission and ensure compliance with privacy standards. This is like installing a high-tech alarm system in your house. Finally, let's discuss the launch process. Number 1, beta testing. Release a beta version to a small group of users. Gather feedback and make necessary adjustments. This is like having a housewarming party to get initial impression. Number 2 is marketing strategy. Develop a marketing plan. Use social media, SEO, and partnerships to promote your app. It's like putting up advertisement for your new product. Number 3, launch. Release your app on platforms like the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Ensure you have a strong customer support system in place. Think of this as opening your store to the public. Number 4, post-launch. Continuously monitor user feedback. Update your app to fix bugs and add new features. Use analytic tools to track user behavior and app performances. It's like maintaining and upgrading your house over time. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building your sports community app. By following these steps and focusing on key features, you can create an app that stands out in the competitive sports tech market. If you need professional help to bring your vision to life, we at Idea Usher are here to assist you at every step of the way. Thank you for watching and good luck with your app development journey. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful content on building successful SaaS product. See you next time.